Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Kompeni Bapenya Dewbilat ha kejela kila Pdiang ya kimat Jingdawa ke Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association kabadai halor kador kit kabadai ha kador khandai tingka shiton ha kashi kilometer kani karai kalawan hadien baka Sorkar jela lingba usembut menteri rangba uba prestun tensong bad usembut menteri rangba uba asnya bhalang dahar badai pet ya ketena transport Kalakhot yakren ya kinong ngelam ka Mctoda bat ki Trai Kompeni penya Dewbilat ki banaka jela ban yakren penbet ya ki mat Jingdawa ka association ya kani ka jingelang lakli da uba prestun tensong ha ka jingedon lang uba asneo bhalang dahar UDC ka East Jaintia, Kumjo OSP ka West Jaintia Hills but East Jaintia Hills. Haringkat kinong ngelam ka Mctoda bat kiwe ki association. Habakran chi kinong thok khubor. Uba asneo bhalang dhar hadien ka jingelang ulaong ba ka Sorkar jela kala Pdiang ya ka Jingdawa ka Mctoda. Uba kermen lang urya, ubalong advisor ka Mctoda. Ulapan pau ya kajing songo ya ka Sorkar jela ka balas ngo lasngap ya ka Jingdawa ka association. Bat pen pau ba ka jingelang kalong ka basaiso.
Ai kublai ya ka Sorkar ka balakot ya kani ka jingelang. Bat ka donu ka jing songo na kaliang ka Mctoda ya Deputy Chief Minister bakmi katanat kampo ye ka jela ba preston tensong ubala yeng hakaliang jong kini jong kani ka association ringkat jong kiwaipat kiblai simenta ni jelang ban Pdiang ia ka Jingdawa jong ka Mctoda kata kadai ban bo bai takawai ka dor kata ka dor khandai tingka per metric ton per kilometer kaba nilap ba nakaliang u Deputy Chief Minister ru ulapan rasun balapan yap ia ka tukar rate ka berim kata ka balapan mi ya ka order ha ka arpusan terik jong benai nailur arajar arpusan kata ka di kedor ka bala syong penbet ida ke transport department ban ri minta ka singi ka level ke jong u la simpat ke di rai ban kani ke di we na Jingdawa ka ba kam Mctoda ka labu Jingdawa pagin ong bakalong ka bala seiso ba sekawai pat ka jingeda ki jingsangi bon ba ki Jingdawa na kaliang jong Mctoda ri nomor bala yakta hagani ka benta ka ba baningkong e inong ba company ka yang persya ka pensno ye kata ka Jingdu nong henry kumbangi ong hi bangiyo ya Deputy Chief Minister harikat pedolang Deputy Chief Minister in charge transport kaba kikloi ban Pdiang ya Jingdawa ke jongi pat ban pensgo shiki ban yang rangba ban ong ba minta kasngi lapan bena bakan dei tagador kandai tingka bat sakawai pat kerai kadei ya kabangi bu bakini kitrok kibadei jongi Trai jela kibade banyo ban kit simen na kite ki cement factories ki ban don chispa arpotli mariamentai dan prapo tendre kani ke jingya tairu kala slem kala bampor coba palat namar ki haga jui ka por ki pet snobiang i kata ka jing du nong jong ini cement factories ki bayo pat jaka ki bayo nadong sedong ke jing mentoi ke jongki tendre nakaliang Deputy Chief Minister in charge home ulabu badi ban increase sapotli tendre kini ki cement factories ki lapen e ki Pdiang siwa tang arpo tenre habala yakran la yatai sani baru ki dang ong ki dang panpor ki mendia menta ki panpor sitayo na Sorkar pat kunju nangi te haga jingya penbet jing stu jumbot lang yong tong in aipor kata sitayo kata hadu ka arpo itrik jong benai naiweng bat paki dakiwan pai ki di banwan ra be ya kata ka saupo lani lada ki sngo subun mensiam ru ba ki sngo thu pangi di Trai jela lada ki ai sa arspa ru ngin jendela kemen ban Pdiang kata amar bangin api namar kani ke business pada ka jing sngo long Trai la ka jaka ngin dang yai dawa be ya la ka jong ka hok na ka menta kini ki nongnya kali kamai ba kunjur kini ki Trai trok ki badang kani ka briu nyu trap i ba ko
balai mene ki nyapan up nakali ngajong ki ni mga ban ai ka fix ban omba ni kwa kata kali markani ka man saw babi namar bangin kwa ban ong pan kota kung balong ki we mo yimna ban omba ai ngi arspa ai ngi laispan ani ai ngi shispa ladang ipan ya kani kalong kum ka we ka jingliam ni yang ni daladi yaladi namar menta ki don ki dekhot ki jongi apa ki titrok ki kit ya ki bun ba ki jajingkin ke ladang ipan specific be thik laisai lada ngipan arspa isingi kini kimla ban ai arspa Kini ki ban so nia wo dong bat ki sa penjenjar ya ka ASEAN bat ki trai tro ki chumi. Tena ta ka daw ngil ong mene ba de ban ai be. Kat badon yang me nong ba kat badon ki kali ki bade jo ki trai jala. Him khain na kanu nu jai bedu ki bade ki trai jala kamu ki bade indigenous ka menang ni kamu ba ki de ban yo lo. Tena kali yang ajong ki mene ki la ong ba to ya persang shwa. Kata ka jingkwa. Kata ji kan no ka jingker ni lagi ni factory long persang shwa. Harengi ya ka kaman persang shwa ngim tene. Maka kam persang shwa da kata-kata kan sowan ra jing hi yang hi na ka pos ko pon. Tena kada mene ngila wan be ja ka point banwa. Na kali yang deputy chief minister uang be ai kum no shis pa arpo. Tena kali yang ajong ki ngimla kata. Ki penrit hadu arpo yi mo. Arpo ki. Tena kali yang ajong ngilaya kun ya kata, bat menjur ya kata. Hari na kali yang ajong ini ki factory ki ba hakmat jong deputy siam. Hakmat jong deputy siam armut ki ba. Ai po rengi bangin. Yelit perkat bat kita ki paradokot la ni ginong penyat ni ki trai jong kata ka factory. Tena kali yang jungi mene tengil ong ba em de ban ni menjur ke bala la terwa do teaching minister. Tena kali yang jong kiru kila ai ka insurance ngi. Na kali yang jong government mo deputy minister ba ngi ong ai yang ngi ka fixed date mo. Kan no kenang ba baru ko ki pai ba kinun makila pa li balano. Mo te na kali yang jong ki kilong ba sitayo ke manra. Tengila yang ya ka stand firmly kalong ba hadin sitayo kamud ba ngi haban penkut no. Kamdon su da kawe ka jing ekran. Namar ba ki paradokot jungi ru kila don na kata ka jing ke. Namar ba kila akmil ti ban le lut no ya kata ka kambe.
Shkwa ban pensai ni ka bede kini ka kandai tingka mo baki trai jala ke jungi kim le ban song thu bakla. Namar ba ka company kan sap penbiet iki da kumni kumtai kala ban thok kum kala thok teng kham min shuwa ka kandai tingka hi niong ba ka dei hapo ka jala Meghalaya. Dei la ki kitru sabar ka jala kani ka dor kandai tingka kan trikam ba hadu ha upud usam bala ki mi pat sabar jong ka jala Meghalaya kan sedon pat ka dor ka ba inhab ye penbet pat kini company kim dei ban sutu bakla ban ong ba tang sulami lada de ban kit simen sabar jala kani kandai tingka kam trikam kani ka kandai tingka kan trikam bet la pikit tang hapo Meghalaya ne pikit sabaru kata tang hapo upud sam jong ka Meghalaya.
Cement associations and all the three transport associations, and the meeting is it's a very good and nice meeting, and it's a very positive meeting, and some part we have decided today and some other part is we'll meet again sometime next week.
So what are the decisions arrived at?
Decision we take, number one is we have put the fare is, before it was between 7 to 11 and today we decide only one fare, ₹9 per kilometer.
Okay.
And all the transporters are happy with that.
What about this 9 rupees is for all types of roads or?
No, for all type of roads, but within Meghalaya. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer within Meghalaya.
For all type of roads.
Yes.
What about loading?
Loading.
Because they
No,
want
we didn't talk about loadings. We are talking about rate only.
So,
That it falls accordingly.
so other areas where agreement were arrived at.
Okay, you see, within the state of Meghalaya, the same rate will prevail. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer. And the loading or loading is different subjects.
So they were demanding notified routes even outside the state.
No, that is not yet. You see, that is not yet decided. We are decided about the within the state of Meghalaya.
Do they agree or not? This
No, they are happy. They are happy.
What about
And beyond the state, within Meghalaya border, and beyond the Meghalaya, so based on them between the transporter and the cement association, they will discuss the coding as per the previous market beyond Meghalaya.
any other agenda discussed?
That's all today only, and the rest is everything is fine. So yes, there is some part is left because we demand 120 trucks per day quota for the local people. So that's little bit stocks. 80 is already done, and 100 they are agree. So we are pushing another 20. So the cement associations request time for another 1 week, and we will meet again after 1 week.
So the next date fixed.
21st from November.
this
But
rate
till date,
was
how many trucks from the local are?
That's why we demand 120. As of now it's 80 and we demand 120 and they propose 100. So again they request us 1 week's time from the cement association. So we will sit on the 21st again. We will discuss this matter finally.
this rate is belong to company and it's a government rate.
That is the government rate to be notified by us. We have decided today.